I stand here not as one but as many. My heartbeat echoes the drum of my nation. Patriotism is not just in the words we speak, it is a promise we took from our mother's womb, from theirs to ours, from ours straight to our kids. Patriotism is not waving flags. It exceeds singing national anthem. It goes beyond protecting national symbols. But it is a devotion we make. It is a sacrifice we do. It is in the courage to speak the truth. It is in the will to build, not break. Wake up, my dear Nigerians. A true love of Nigeria is sacrifice. It is planting the trees whose shade we may never sit under. It is guarding the flame of justice even when the winds of corruption blow. Yes, patriotism is a pillar of success. It enhances unity, it enriches harmony. It serves as a weapon to fight terrorism. It is a tool to cast away tribalism. It is a force to exclude regionalism. In fact, patriotism is the marvelous style of success. Indeed, our country, Nigeria, seeks us to shine up our lives, to embrace the truth, to ensure unity, to cast away tribalism, to reaffirm justice, to resist oppression, to destroy regionalism, to neutralize enmity. I am Nigerian, you are Nigerian. Together, we are the precious blood that refuses to die unless Nigeria is developed. Remember, we bear the beast of no nation but Nigeria. We will serve Nigeria. We remain Nigerians. We die Nigerians. Long live Nigeria.